All right, guys. I did look it up. So clockwise is down, counterclockwise is up. So I have it zeroed out currently. So clockwise all the way in. So it should be zeroed out essentially. All right. Now we have the solenoid here. This was another one that it only showed one of the 4 O-rings on it. So there is a 010 90 durometer, which is a transfer O-ring for the frame. But up here there's 3 metrics. It is 2 3x1s and then 1 4x1. So easy enough O-rings to get. Just a little bit frustrating they don't tell you. Feels very smart parts. Alright, so and be very gentle with anything that's a 1 or a 1.5. Very, very slim O-rings. Alright, got those popped in there. 2 1x3s, 1 1x4. Like I said, that is a 90 durometer 010. Watch it be an 11. Would you believe that the manual got an O-ring wrong? 011. Yeah. 2 1x3s, 1 1x4, 1 011 90 durometer. If you don't have a 90 durometer, it is fine. We will go ahead and install this back on the marker. So, gonna grease up those metric O-rings there. You can go heavy on it, you're not gonna hurt anything. And that will drop into the body there. And you have 2 screws. And kind of like a car tire, you know, just go back and forth on the sides. Just so you know it's not cattywampus or whatever. Decently tight, like, you know, finger tight. No need to jack on it. All right, we are going to install, let's throw the bolt back in just so it's there. Still, I don't know about that one, but all right, we are going to throw the eye board back in. We're going to take our eye inserts first, pop those in. Doesn't matter which side they go in, and they're triangle shaped, so you can't really put them in the wrong side. Alright, got those popped in. Now we'll take our board. It'd be super hard to do the wrong direction because these holes line up. And we're going to take this ribbon cable and gently plug it in tiny screw for the board. Goes right in the middle. Definitely be gentle with that. No need to crank down on it. Alright. Now we're going to take our frame. We just got to put the solenoid wire through this little hole here. Easy enough. The design's actually quite nice because it's actually really hard to put this thing back together wrong. Yeah. Just want to make sure those wires are out of the way. That's about it. Which, I did this earlier, now it's fighting with me. Got that hidden rear frame screw. And the front screw here. We are going to plug in our solenoid. Alright. And I'm going to take my piece of paper again just because I did have that issue. And we are going to pop our battery in as well. Now we're going to take our lower board. Eyes are working as they should, solenoid's working as they should. Alright, everything's working as it should. We're going to go ahead and pop the cover on. There is a hidden screw in there. God damn. Alright. Well, I guess at this point all there is to do is put some air to the thing. And hope for the best. That's fucking awesome. Doesn't appear to be any leaks anywhere. Let me turn off my fan real quick. Nope, we are crystal quiet. Oh, that's awesome. ripper there. I will be able to do a shooting video soon. I just don't have any paint right now, but main reason I did it was to try out the new camera setup. Let me know what you think. And if you have a weird fascination with these stupid cheap guns as I do, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks.